So one, you have a really good management team. Two, you have a really good product, right? I mean, like I said, media is exploding, right? And so when I look at things like Spring Hill Media, Omaha Productions here in the U.S., creating enormous value, I see Box to Box as somebody that has the potential to be like those other entities. So I think it's a great category to be in. And when I was here in the U.S., I often go around and ask friends for advice, and they say, man, we really think media is going to explode, short and long form content. We just think it's going to grow and grow and grow. And so I think the category is really good. I think the management team's really good. Data is a really good category. Media is a really good category. Now you sit there and say, well, what about us? Well, we've got a global network, although they're pretty penetrated, but we think we can add to the network. And also, just like Two Circles, when we started, they were primarily fee-based. And we started taking more risk, meaning lower fees, but more upside. And we started investing capital in some acquisitions in new businesses. And it worked, right? And so the same thing I see here with Box to Box, where we can invest capital in projects where before they might not have been able to invest capital in those projects. We might be able to do acquisitions now with Box to Box, where before they might not have done those acquisitions. So having capital at their disposal in terms of making investments on projects that take risk or to do acquisitions are new tools for Box to Box that I think can help accelerate their growth. And lastly, again, opening up our global network. So those three things, when you marry with a good category with a good management team, just like we did with Two Circles, we hope that's a recipe for good things to happen.